Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Cargowise tutorial for beginners. Freight forwarding and logistics. Welcome to this quick tutorial on Cargowise for beginners and freight forwarding and logistics. To get started, head over to the Cargowise website, request a demo by filling out your details such as name, company, and region. Once approved, you'll gain access to the Wise Tech Academy, their training hub packed with resources to help you learn the system. From there, you can dive into the forwarding module, create new shipments, and let CargoWise automatically validate customs and compliance in real time. You can generate documents, manage custom filings, track shipments, and even streamline warehouse operation. With built-in automation, reporting, and integration tools, CargoWise simplifies the entire logistics workflow. Once your demo is active, you'll quickly see how this platform can transform freight management into a faster, smarter, and more efficient process. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.